Today, we review the 5 best rugs for kitchen that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Oh yes, since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification as it will help us grow. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Reggie Floral Kitchen Rugs Non-Skid Accent Area Carpet. Looking for a high-quality, American-made accent area rug? Look no further than the nylon made in the USA 2 foot 6 inch by 3 foot 10 inch accent area rug. This beautiful rug features a modern twist on a bold floral pattern, with vibrant hues of multicolors on a dark background. The high contrast of the colors creates an eye-catching artwork on the floor. The nylon made in the USA rug is made with 100% nylon pile for added durability and fade resistance. It has a 0.44-inch pile height and a skid-resistant latex backing, so it can be placed in any setting. It is also easy care and machine washable. Quality American rug manufacturer since 1966. Proudly made in USA. Number 2. Maples Rugs Pelham Vintage Kitchen Rugs. Looking for a high-quality, American-made accent area rug? Look no further than the nylon 1 foot 8 inch by 2 foot 10 inch accent area rug. This rug is made of 100% nylon pile for added durability and fade resistance, and features a timeless design that will never go out of style. The low profile of this rug makes it perfect for any setting, and the skid-resistant latex backing means no additional rug pad is needed. This rug is also machine washable for easy care. Quality American rug manufacturer since 1966. Number 3. John Ritzenthaler Company Kitchen Rugs. Looking for an attractive, well-constructed accent rug? Look no further than Ritz's color-fast, stain-resistant rug. This rug is crafted with a sturdy nylon loop and features an overlock stitched edge finish that ensures it remains a durable fixture of your house decor for years. What's more, this rug is skid-resistant, thanks to its latex rubber backing. This makes it the perfect kitchen area rug. Plus, its versatile size makes it an excellent kitchen sink rug, or as a small rug for entryway, in bathrooms, laundry rooms, hallways, and more. And Ritz Accent Rug is available in a variety of charming colors and coordinates perfectly with its line of kitchen accessories, including kitchen mats and kitchen rug runners. Best of all, it's machine washable for hassle-free cleaning. Number 4. Maples Rugs Rebecca Contemporary Kitchen Rugs. Olefin is a versatile and functional material that is perfect for accenting any space. This olefin rug is made in the USA and features a modern, contemporary design with abstract geometric patterns. The rug is minimalistic and functional, and its versatile design makes it a beautiful addition to any room. The olefin pile is resistant to spills and stains, and the rug is machine washable for easy care. The skid-resistant latex backing prevents the rug from slipping, and the low pile height makes it perfect for placement in any setting. Number 5. Maples Rugs Blooming Damask Kitchen Rugs Floor Mat. Looking for a small but mighty accent rug? Check out the nylon 1 foot 8 inch by 2 foot 10 inch size small accent rug. This rug is perfect for any room in your home, including the kitchen, entryway, and bathroom. It features a timeless design with 100% nylon pile for added durability and fade resistance. The 0.44-inch pile height is low profile, making it easy to place in any setting. Plus, it's skid-resistant and machine washable for easy care. Quality American rug manufacturer since 1966. Proudly made in the USA. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.